Yeah. So now the plan is ready. Now only this elevation is left out. Okay. So here there was sectional plan and elevation. Sectional plan means this one, full section. In previous first example, whichever we had shown, that is something like right half in section. Right half in section means only this much you have to show the in details. Here full hatch you can do and keep. Okay, in the later problems you will understand that. So now, so this is nothing but your height of your transformer. That is nothing but 350. Then all the details are given here. First you have to understand which are those details. See here, height of the window. So this is nothing but this one, 220. So height of the winding is nothing but, so here. So window height they have given. Then window height is more compared to that of winding. See here. That is because the left out here, that is your wooden piece. For insulation they have kept. Then center to center distance between the limbs, that is done 160. Okay. So overall transformer width also they have given 215 and 350. Okay. So first what you do is draw one. We'll draw this base point first. That is nothing but 350, right? So go to your CAD file, 350. I'll draw one line. The distance between one, the height is 350, right? So I will offset that. Offset command, offset at a distance of 350. So where I am going to offset this side. So this is nothing but height. So complete this detail first, then everything you can copy paste. Okay. Now one more, this line is required, right? Horizontal line. See that figure first. So this one, that is nothing but from window we'll get. Height of the window. How much is that height of the window? That is nothing but 220, right? So one more line you'll get 220. So 220, how will you draw? Height of the window is 220. So now I know 350 minus 220 is how much? 350 minus 220. So it is 130. So 130 divided by 2. Half year, right? So 130 divided by 265. So 65 here and 65 if I offset this, the rest will be your 220. So what I will do is 65 I will offset. So this I will offset at a distance of 65. Again, offset. Distance is 65, enter, select, down, this you select it up. Okay, done. Now you see here, so this is your window. Now how much is completed? See, this part is done. The rest left out here, it is winding. So after this core, whatever is there extension, first you delete that. Otherwise later you will get confused. So this is core extension, right? The same thing I should have copied here first. No problem. Select, trim. So except core. So this is the extension of the core, right? So except core, these things you delete. Got it? So these are the winding extensions. This you can delete. And this is the core. This one you don't delete. Okay, so this is not required. Trim. Again this one, go to trim option, trim. Okay, so this forms your core, right? So again go to select, this is extensions also, later you have to delete. Got it? So this is your core, right? See, this also I will delete. So this is your core. It will come like this. Okay, and even bottom also you do the same thing. Trim. All excess, these things are not required. Trim. Except core. Don't delete the core. Except core, everything I am going to delete it now. Okay, so this forms your core. Again trim. Okay, sorry, use that undo option. The core by mistake I deleted. Now draw this. Okay, so this is your core. Clear? Even this is also I have to delete. This one I have to delete. This also. Okay. So one part is ready. Next, the same thing you can copy paste 4 times. Okay, see, one part is ready, this one. The same part you can copy paste 4 times. Before that, I have told you, right, the height of the winding is how much? 2, window height is 220, height of the winding is 208. Okay, so the rest, the black one is your wooden piece, see. Okay, so that is nothing but 208, 12 is left out. So 6 on the top, 6 on the bottom, right? So what I will do is, I will just offset this at a distance of 6. Offset, I think it is not visible, I guess, since it is very less. Offset it at a distance of 6. Select, it is visible, fine, no problem. So this is your actual winding area. Frame. See, this is your actual winding, and this you solid hatch. So now itself you solid hatch, so it will be easy for you. Select pick points 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, enter. Okay, solid hatch. Next again you come down, again go to solid hatch, select pick points 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. Got it? Next what you do is, same thing, you copy paste 4 times. Okay, so now this, you know, here, this you draw one extension for your reference. If you are good enough with your calculations, then exactly you can calculate at what distance one more winding will come. Otherwise, the best option what you can do is, you will be having this mirror line, right? With respect to this, you can just mirror. So here there is one mirror option on the top. See, mirror option I will select. Then specify the line, first line. So you have to specify the first line. Specify the next point. So where you are going to mirror everything you have to do, or else what you can do is, you can select everything. The best is this one. Before that we'll hatch. Okay, later it will be difficult. Once I will hatch, you will understand. Solid, a different pattern, because usually only for wooden piece we show that solid pattern. Okay, just all different patterns you have to keep. Add pick points. Whenever you know the boundaries, you add pick points. So this one and HU winding, LV winding. The next is this one. Some problem with that hatch. Scale, add pick points. Enter. Okay, fine. And the problem is this thing is more. That hatch. Okay. So you do one mirror option, I told you, right? So mirror option. How much? So this part with respect to this exactly this side you have to mirror, right? So first you better select. Hope everything got selected. Then mirror. Mirror option. See, when you press this side, it will come here. Click here. Okay. Once you click here, next it will ask erase source object. So you press no. So enter. If you press again, your whatever image was here, it will be copied this side. Okay. Same way you can do it 4 times. Mirror option 2 times. Okay. Or else you select this everything with respect to center point. You can mirror it. Okay, got it? Okay, next, to draw the dimensions, here you have that dimension linear. Always go to this linear only. Linear means to the length and all. If you want, we'll go for the linear part, like this you do, and just put it here. So now it is not visible, right? So double click on this, all the details it will come here. So arrow size, it is very small now. If you see here, arrow size, whatever they have shown, it is small. You increase that. Okay. You keep some, now it is 0.8. You keep some 5. Again it is not visible, right? You keep some more. Arrow size, some 20, okay. Next. See, now it is visible. Arrow size is visible. Same way your text also will be there somewhere here. Check that. See, text height, it is very less. Height, now it is fine. Close this. See, now you can see. Still it is, if it is not bigger, double click, go to that text height, increase that 10. Now it is visible. So this is how you give the dimension. Then if you want to name anything like this, you can name. Here there is something known as mighty line leader. Just you can drag like this and write wherever you want to move, you can move that. Then you can write here like this. If you are writing any text like winding, you can write like this: windings, LU winding, HU winding, like this you can write. Okay. Next, and again here also you can increase the text size, everything. Just by clicking this you can change. And one more thing, to draw the what to say, your diameters also you can